There are many cool ways you can make money online, and one of the ways is by animating. And you might tell me you have no experience animating, and that's why I'm here for you. I'm going to be doing a series of videos on how you can start animating even as a beginner using some free softwares. You don't even have to pay a dime, and then you can sell your services and get money for it. These guys have been earning well over $100 for just a 1 minute animation clip, and you can do it even as a beginner. And the beautiful thing about what I'm going to be teaching you is that you don't even have to have a laptop. Yeah, you can use your phone. You can animate using your phone. Isn't that beautiful? Right now I want you to watch this video to the end, and believe me, you're going to find this content highly valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Angela Kashile's Place. Give a thumbs up, a like, to show that you appreciate this video. So if you want to start making money as an animator, let's go there. So to get started, you can click on the link in the description. It's from Adobe Express and it's called Animate from Audio. So let's get started. So I'm just going to head over to the website, Animate from Audio. Okay, so let's click on it. Our animation. So click on it. Choose your characters. Okay, so we're going to choose from any of these characters. You can choose any of them. Okay, see the whole category here. We can choose new, or I think I'll go all. So I'm going to choose this girl. So you can either record directly and then, or you choose your audio file. But before we go into all of that, we can choose a background. Okay, if you don't quite like this background, we can change it up. Okay, she's wearing like something like a school uniform. So let's choose maybe a stadium or a park, or the living room, just any background that suits you. Let me go with a park. Alright, it's beautiful. You can actually choose your size. Now you can choose Instagram, YouTube. So you see, you can choose for whatever format you want. So this is usually so you see, I like this one. You change the background, the size, right? This was a square. This is like your normal story and reels video. So you just choose the one that suits you. And I'm going for YouTube because that's where I'll be posting. So the normal landscape for YouTube, I've chosen that. That's 16.9. Right, that's for the landscape. So let's go back to background. We've already done background and we've done character. So that's it basically. That's majorly it. So now we don't have a script, so that's where you're going to use ChatGPT to develop our script. So let's head over to ChatGPT. So head over to ChatGPT, OpenAI, and then quickly we're going to develop our script. We're going to be typing, just form a script for the girl. We're just going to type something like, write a short, it depends on what you're given, right? Script on how to money. It should be inspirational. Well, this is nice, but together we can achieve greater. Let me just pick a line. Let them pass. So, can you see? I'm just going to pick this. Of course, you can do set script actually. So, you can pick, anything. I just want to, just for the sake of this video, of course, if you're giving a job by clients, you stick to what the client wants. Okay, this is just for this content. So now I'll just record what we just did. So allow it to process. So let's play it and see what it sounds like. Together, we can achieve greatness. Let's inspire and empower others to unlock their own online success stories. So it's lovely actually. But okay, so let's go back to editing. So we've gone back to editing. Now, if you don't like that, we can actually enhance the speech. So remember how it was before. Now let's see it again. To unlock their own online success stories. We're just going to download. If you don't like any of this, you can change it entirely to AI voicing. Let's try another website for our speech. and that is better11labs.io. And then you just quickly click on this, then you choose any of the characters, and then I'm going with Bella. So let's see. Let's inspire and empower others. Then you choose the audio file. We just downloaded it, so this is it, and then we open, and that's it basically. So it's processing.
Let's inspire and empower others to unlock their own online success stories.
Beautiful, beautiful. So now it's ready, so simply download, and that's it. So our file is ready. So with this, you can actually go on Fiverr, you can go on these platforms and ask them and tell them that you can render your services as an animator, that you do it for 1 minute, and voila, you get your money. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up if you gained something, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more videos about animation, because I have tons. We can use Canva, we can use Steve.ai, we can use many other platforms to animate and earn cash. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's your go-to person, Angela. Peace out.